Quite recently, Boeing reached a massive new agreement affecting over 33,000 of its employees. In its statement on the deal, Boeing revealed it plans to build its next airliner in Washington. While no further details on this new aircraft were disclosed, many in the industry had been anticipating that Boeing would develop its new Midsize Airplane, or NMA, something sized between its 737 MAX 10 and 787-8 Dreamliner. Thinking logically, the designation for a new commercial aircraft is expected to be 797. In a news release on September 8th, Boeing Commercial Airplanes President and CEO Stephanie Pope stated, "This contract deepens our commitment to the Pacific Northwest. Boeing's roots are here in Washington. It's where generations of workers have built incredible airplanes that connect the world." In the video message to employees, Pope went on to say, "And it's why we're excited that as part of the contract, our team in the Puget Sound region will build Boeing's next new airplane. This would go along with our other flagship models, meaning job security for generations to come. It's a big commitment to you and to our community." It's quite a commitment for Boeing. While a decision to assemble an aircraft in Washington state 2 decades ago would have been obvious, Boeing's more recent decision to fully move 787 assembly to South Carolina has justifiably worried company workers on the West Coast. The latest agreement with the union allows for greater job security. As noted by Reuters, the board-led strategy to move operations to South Carolina was to reduce reliance on Washington state, where Boeing had historically had stormy relations with unions. When it comes to a new commercial aircraft from Boeing, up-to-date information is scarce. After all, any talk about a new midsize airplane is years old, and the plane maker may have decided, or will decide later on, to change its strategy. More recently, company resources have been diverted to more pressing issues, addressing the fallout from the Alaska Airlines door plug blowout and getting aircraft like the 737 MAX 7, MAX 10 and 777-9 certified to enter commercial service. Nonetheless, when it comes to older discussions of Boeing's next aircraft, the new midsize airline was anticipated to be a twin-aisle aircraft with 2 variants, a 225-seater with 5,000 nautical mile range and a 275-seater with a 4,450 nautical mile range. Later in 2020, there was speculation that Boeing would change the design to a short-haul narrow-body that was only a little bigger than the Boeing 737. This debate was triggered by former Airbus Americas president Barry Eccleston, who has been critical of the program. The aircraft is expected to cost up to $25 billion to develop. Reports in 2022 suggested its development would be delayed until new engines mature, and as of 2024, its status remains unclear. What do you think of this latest news? Are you happy to hear that Boeing will commit to assembling its next commercial aircraft in Washington state? Share your thoughts by leaving a comment. In addition to our daily YouTube videos, Simple Flying publishes over 150 articles every week. If you're looking for the latest aviation news and insights, visit simpleflying.com.